Welcome. We are the Industrial Development Board of Ceylon, the statutory body under the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. Our vision is to develop all the industries of Sri Lanka. We are spread in all over the country and in all districts. We have 25 district offices and 19 industrial estates. We identify new business opportunities, do quality and productivity improvement, provide project feasibility studies and reports, provide management development and consultancy, do product development, innovation and new technologies, do market development and promotion, provide business counseling and extension, provide technology development and assistance, and under technology we conduct technology workshops, consultancy, laboratory services and special projects. Now we would open the Omen Box of latest technology related to IT industry, food industry, chemical industry and mineral and construction industry. Our personal life is highly dependent on the technology that people have developed. Technology has advanced with years and it has changed the way we purchase products, the way we live, the way we communicate, the way we travel, the way we learn, and so many changes have been brought about by these continuous technological advancements. Let's enjoy few video clips on latest IT enhancements. Number 1.
In some situations, paper will always be best for unleashing our creativity, and sometimes we just need technology. Choosing between paper and computer is a matter of context. Today, we can have the best of both worlds. The PUP is the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The PUP is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The PUP allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The PUP is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The PUP is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The PUP brings you closer to the ones you love. The PUP can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The PUP comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image.
Number 2.
Paper is the ultimate tool for thinking. It lets your mind roam freely, without restrictions. It lets you focus, without distractions. But if you love paper, you probably struggle to keep track of your notebooks, print a lot of documents, and have a desk that looks like this. If this is you, then you're a paper person, just like us at Remarkable. And we're about to launch a breakthrough solution that fixes your paper problems. Meet Remarkable, the paper tablet. It lets you read, write, and sketch with a paper-like feel. Remarkable replaces your notebooks, sketchbooks, and printed documents. It's powered by a breakthrough technology. It delivers fast and precise strokes and has crisp black ink. Now, let's see what Remarkable can do. Reading shows Remarkable at its best. No distractions, and a comfortable paper-like surface with no screen glare. Most common formats are supported and are easily transferred to the Remarkable by Wi-Fi. No more printing, no more heavy books or documents. Write directly on the page. Make notes or highlight and instantly share your work with others. Handwriting on the Remarkable is the most paper-like digital writing experience ever. You can even rest your hand on the display. But Remarkable is more than just notes. It's a note-taking system. It lets you organize your notes in multiple notebooks. Choose your favorite template and start writing. You'll never run out of pages. Sketching on the Remarkable is the only digital sketching experience that actually feels like paper. It offers a paper experience with digital tools, such as an eraser, undo, zoom, brushes, and templates. No more scanning your sketches.
Number 3.
Introducing the Mother Box, the first and only wireless charger that babysits your phone for you. It provides power on demand, so you always stay plugged in no matter where you go or how your device is moved. Setup is fast and simple. Download the app and connect to your Mother Box. Experience real wireless charging. The Mother Box Mini keeps you charged on the go. And the Mother Box can keep your devices powered while you relax at home. We've been developing this technology for 3 years and can't wait to share it with you. Be the first to experience the Mother Box so you never have to worry about charging your devices again.
Number 4.
For thousands of years, humans have been filling their notebooks and then just buying more.
It's like the notebook industry has given up on innovation.
Hey, what's this? The notebook Hemingway wrote on? That's cool, I guess.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we are already famous for inventing the Wave Notebook, the smart notebook that can be erased in the microwave. We've shipped 100,000 waves to satisfied customers around the world. Others may stop there, but we're maniacs obsessed with blending old-fashioned notebooks with future and awesome. So we've spent a year in the Rocket Lab designing a new notebook that feels like pen and paper, but is endlessly reusable and completely integrated with your digital lifestyle. Introducing the Everlast Notebook from Rocketbook. The Everlast brings cloud scalability to pen and paper. Simply write, scan, and erase. Imagine 1,000 of your favorite notebooks in one sleek design that fits in your backpack.
Number 5.
Ooh, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Ooh, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Ooh, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Ooh, a picture's worth 1,000
Number 6.
I started learning computer programming when I was 10 years old because my dad brought a computer home. It was a Commodore 64, and he gave it to me and my twin brother, and he told us, this doesn't have any games on it, so you need to learn to write your own games, figure out how to program the computer yourselves. I would not have tried learning computer programming or computer science if it hadn't been for the computer that my dad gave me, because my school didn't teach it. And thanks to what I learned on my own, it opened up a world of opportunity for me. And this is an opportunity that isn't something that just a few people should be able to have. But today, 30 years later, 90% of our schools still don't teach basic computer science, which means 90% of kids don't have the access to participate in a world that is being turned upside down by technology.
Our schools teach kids how to dissect a frog and how the weather works, but today it's equally fundamental to learn how to dissect an app or how the internet works.
Last year, Code.org organized a grassroots campaign to teach kids just 1 hour of code. And since then, we've taught 40 million students in 200 countries. But learning goes way beyond the first hour. We've now put full courses into 30,000 classrooms, and we've trained almost 1,000 new computer science teachers. Our goal this year is to train 10,000 computer science teachers and to get 100 million students to try 1 hour of code across all grades, worldwide, with your help. It's going to cost $5 million to do this. Now, we've built fantastic courses that students and teachers love, but we need support to bring these courses to classrooms and to train teachers to integrate them into the curriculum. to provide in-person training for teachers and to get computer science added to the course schedule.
Oh my gosh! Whoa! It has to move 3 steps. Has to turn right, and then it has to go straight again. Oh my gosh, it's working! I did it right!
They don't even have to be a computer science engineer. Maybe they want to do something else. But in our world, this is going to be the basis for everything that we do.
There is nothing more important than our young people's futures. Hour of Code and Code.org are giving our youth the ability to prosper in the modern age.
Generous donors such as Microsoft, Google, Salesforce.com, Bill Gates, and Reid Hoffman have committed to match your donations. So for each dollar you give, 2 students will learn, 1 boy and 1 girl. Everybody knows that technology is moving fast. It shouldn't be passing us by. And the idea that 90% of our schools aren't even preparing our kids for the future just isn't right. We can fix this, and we are fixing it. But a sea change in education takes a critical mass of people who care. Please join this movement, contribute today, and share this video with a friend. Please help give every student the opportunity to pursue some of the best jobs in the world and to succeed in any future career. Thank you so much for your help.
Number 7.
Are you worn out from all the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Sometimes all you want is just to have a rest. But it seems like you can't escape from all the noise surrounding you. How can we get some silence into our busy lives? Introducing Muso, a revolutionary anti-vibration acoustic device. Muso is the first device that applies anti-vibration technology for smooth surfaces. The dedicated neo-magnetic system is the soul of Muso. Powered by Billion sound technology, Muso can generate dynamic, realistic sounds while canceling vibration. These vivid sounds set the scene and drown out intrusive noises. We designed Muso to be streamlined and balanced. It allows Muso to generate an even vibration towards the attached surface. With the TPE material, Muso can be stuck and repositioned onto any surface. You can turn every area into your own personal place. Give Muso a gentle touch and you will be able to feel the magic. A magic you never would have imagined coming out of a sound device. Just control Muso with your smartphone, switch on the Serenity mode, and enjoy some relaxing time. Have there been times you were worried people around you could hear what you were saying? By switching to the secret mode, Muso can help you to protect your speech privacy. Even when out in public, you can enjoy a great conversation without worrying about people eavesdropping.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every day.
Food technological advancements has played a big role in changing the face of agriculture. This has resulted into increased production and abundant food supply. Other technological advances in agriculture include agricultural machinery, agriculture biotechnology, GM food, cloned sheep, organic fruits, artificial fruits, livestock farming, cattle breeding and many more. Let's enjoy few video clips on latest food technology enhancements.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
The innovative products of chemistry lead to cutting-edge advancements, applied technology in medical devices, aerospace, computing, cars, fuels and more. That's what chemistry enables, technological advancements that drive innovation, create jobs and enhance safety in our everyday lives. It further elaborates on chemistry and nanotechnology, chemistry and computing, chemistry and transportation, chemistry and the space age. Let's enjoy few video clips on latest chemical technology enhancements. A lot of advancements are kicking into the construction industry that will cater to the ever-increasing shortage of skilled labor and save time. There is now an endeavor to create manufacturing-like process control at site. Use of building information modeling reduce errors on drawing stage and visualize the project on the drawing board itself. Has virtually zeroed all coordination errors as well as bettered the quality of deliverable. Let's enjoy few video clips on latest construction technology enhancements.
Cement is a key material in the building and construction industry. In 2011 alone, world production volume exceeded 3.3 billion tons. Throughout history, cementitious materials have played a vital role, and some might even say that cement has helped to create the foundation of modern society as we know it. The growth of global cement production is expected to continue increasing. But the manufacturing process involves both high energy consumption and the emission of harmful gases. About 5% of the annual global CO2 emission from human activity stem from the cement industry. As a result, the cement industry is constantly focused on developing more environmentally friendly technologies, while at the same time securing profitability. In order to embrace these challenges, leading supplier to the global cement and minerals industry FLSmidth and the Technical University of Denmark, the DTU, have teamed up in an ambitious research platform to develop new cement production technology.
FLSmidth has decided to work with those best universities on global basis, and DTU belongs to that group. And for our perspective, the main important issue with the platform like this is to go with very deep knowledge building, plus also the sharing of the knowledge, which is important.
The new cement production technology platform was launched in 2007 to provide science-based knowledge necessary to upgrade current production technologies. The aim was to produce more energy-efficient concepts, with higher fuel flexibility and lower emissions of harmful compounds and CO2. The platform focuses on 4 major areas of research and development: alternative fuels, harmful emissions, clinker burning, and energy efficiency. 9 PhD students, 14 master's degree students, and 28 bachelor's degree students have conducted research projects under the platform.
DTU Chemical Engineering works with more than 80 globally oriented research-based companies. We train young people, young researchers, young engineers to the benefit of society, to the benefit of our partners. With FLSmidth as a customer-driven, research-based, very demanding company, the young people have the chance to bring their results, their model-based results, their laboratory results, all the way to an industrial framework, to industrial processes producing thousands of tons of valuable products for society.
The platform is supported by the Danish National Advanced Technology Foundation, which offers private companies and universities co-funding, and the framework for developing new and important technologies.
We have great interest in this project because we get the best of 2 worlds in one. First of all, we see that scientists get a very good opportunities to work together with industry on industry problems and this very tough task of scaling your ideas. The second part is that industry get an opportunity to work together with the most excellent researchers on finding new ways, new ideas, maybe even radical innovations and how they materialize. Now, the interesting part of this is, of course, that we get a lot of young people who's trained in maneuvering in these 2 worlds, in science and in technology. And the ones who manage to do that, they can stay competitive, not only in science, but certainly also in business.
We have really succeeded in getting a very close and fruitful cooperation between FLSmidth and DTU. Our PhD students spend their time both at FLS and DTU, and also they have supervisors from both organizations. It is very important for us to secure the synergy between the PhD projects. For instance, 4 times a year, we have meetings for all the members of the platform. And that results in a tremendous exchange of knowledge and experiences between the partners.
The demand for utilizing alternative fuel for firing in cement plants is rising, but switching from one type of fuel to another is not as simple as one might think. In the test facility hall of the DTU Chemical Engineering, students are able to work with simulated processes. PhD student Maria Del Mar's setup allows her to observe how particles of alternative fuels behave in a simulated material inlet of an industrial rotary kiln.
In my PhD project, I also have used this setup to study the sulfur release from the raw materials during the combustion of alternative fuels.
Cement is made by heating a fine ground mix of limestone with small quantities of other materials such as clay to 1500 degrees Celsius in a kiln. The resulting hard intermediate product from the kiln, called clinker, is then ground into a powder together with a small amount of gypsum. The result is ordinary Portland cement, the traditional pure type of cement. The process of clinker formation is complex, and the right quality is of utmost importance. At the other end of the DTU's test facility hall, PhD David is working with a unique lab-scale rotary kiln in order to study how clinker forms when alternative fuels are used.
It's important to study how alternative fuel affect the clinker formation process, because this knowledge can be used to increase the amount of alternative fuel in the cement plant without getting a poor clinker quality and cement quality. This equipment here, we have the rotary kiln simulator, allow us to do these studies, which are not possible to carry out in industrial plant because you can't see inside the kiln, you can't feel inside the kiln, so you actually don't know what goes on.
In modern cement production plants, the design of the preheater facilities plays an important role when aiming to reduce cost and increase energy efficiency. It's this that PhD student Klaus is focusing on.
In my project, we aim to develop a new concept for the preheating facility. And that's important because the cost and efficiency of the preheater is a vital component of the overall cement plant economics. And when you develop a new concept, it's important to test your design before actually going into larger scale production. And here at DTU, we have done some basic tests of the design, but in order to get more realistic process conditions, we have moved the tests to a large-scale test facility such as Dania.
The F.L. Smith R&D Centre Dania, located at the Maria Fjord in the north of Jutland, comprises state-of-the-art laboratories, workshops and extensive test facilities, and a total staff of approximately 75. Here, raw material testing is done to establish the basis for process design of cement plants worldwide, and customized tests are carried out as part of the R&D projects. Dania engineers and scientists cooperate with colleagues in other locations about many very diverse R&D projects, often requiring experimental work. Pilot test equipment manufactured in well-equipped Dania workshops is installed and operated in flexible test plants. This ideal close connection between engineering, workshops and laboratories allows for very quick turnaround of ideas, tests and results.
Here in Dania, I can test my ideas under process settings, so the ideas that we have can be tested under realistic conditions. And doing that enables us to get a much better result and understanding of the system.
When a PhD student enters
the organization is not just him and his supervisor who are getting something out of the work that he is doing. It's also including the rest of the organization who get more aware of the specific topic he is working on. And that is a very positive thing.
The platform represents a successful journey from research to industrial solutions. And at the head of FLSmidth's cement division, the advantages of a platform like this are seen to be widespread.
We contribute both to the interests of the Danish society that supports this research in the form of gainful employment and growth in the company by sale of relevant processes and products, and to the growth of the individuals involved, because often we offer employment to the promising PhDs to continue research and development in our company.
Our focus is to grow our international capabilities. In the field of advanced cement production technology, we will further expand our cooperation with FLSmidth. We will also expand this cooperation to the field of advanced mineral processing technology. We're a department located in Denmark, but we will grow our capability to work with our partners everywhere in the world.
The 9 PhD projects forming the core of the platform have not only addressed key challenges and development opportunities, but have led directly to significant industrial solutions for new cement production technology.